Hey, it's Scott Oldford, and if you're a coach, a mentor, a consultant, somebody that helps someone go from here to there with their knowledge, transformation, then I got something really, really cool for you. So back in 2020, at the height of COVID, I wanted to do something that was able to help entrepreneurs sort of understand how to properly strategize and implement their marketing and sales. Right? We all know that there's 6 pillars to being able to scale a 7+ figure business. 2 of those is marketing and sales. And so I put together this 5-day workshop back in 2020 that since then has been sold over 20,000 times in multiple languages across the world. And so of course, I'm like, well, you know what? I want to do that again because I've learned a lot over just since then. I've learned a lot in the past year that is going to be more and more relevant as we go into this new decade, as we go into this time that is so critical to ensure that we do our marketing and sales in a way that's in alignment for both ourselves, allows us to have balance and harmony in our own lives, allows us to build a profitable business, and of course, marketing and sales that just really actually works. That isn't based upon hustle, but is based upon flow. And so over the next 5 days in this workshop, which hopefully you'll be in on, I'm going to go through how to actually plan and strategize this in your business. And in 5 days, you're not going to be able to, build the actual whole thing. I think that is, impossible. But in 5 days, you're going to be able to understand what's true and what's not based on all of the success I've had with so many other entrepreneurs, mentoring the different businesses that I'm an advisor and investor in. And at the end of that 5 days, you're going to be able to say, this is my plan for the next 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, whatever time span that makes sense, so that you can go and actually implement what you know is going to work for you, your business, and be able to bring you the right customers. So take a look at the page below. If this is on an ad, then make sure you take a click. It's $95 to access this workshop. You're going to get about 10 hours of content, Q&A sessions with me. It is by far the best money you're ever going to spend this year. And more than this, it is going to give you the focus. It's going to give you the understanding and the clarity to be able to go to that next step in your business, go to that next level in your business, but ensure that you're not just doing it for the sake of doing something. You're not just following a plan for the sake of following the plan, but it's your plan. And that's what I'm excited to be able to bring marketing and sales into alignment for you and your business. So I will see you inside. I'm so excited for you. I'm so proud of you for showing up every single day the way that you do as an entrepreneur. And I'm so excited to be able to mentor you to this next level.